What if we couldn't stop burping? Imagine you're in a crowded elevator. Silence. Nobody moves until And no, it wasn't the guy holding a beer, it was the entire planet Earth. Welcome to Crazy Maybe, the channel where we ask absurd questions and somehow make them weirdly plausible. Today we're diving headfirst, or rather, mouth wide open, into a scenario that's as ridiculous as it is noisy. What if humanity couldn't stop burping? The burp. The most underrated superpower. The burp, or as doctors call it, eructation, is the gastrointestinal equivalent of a WhatsApp notification. It's your body's way of saying, hey, there's too much air down here, sending it back with sound. Why does it happen? Air swallowed while eating, drinking, chewing, breathing, laughing, or just existing. And when the upper esophageal sphincter relaxes, yep, that's a thing. Your mouth turns into a mini volcano, less lava, more Pepsi. When burping becomes a global emergency, now imagine a world where no one can hold in a burp, ever. Not on a first date, not at the royal wedding, not even at a funeral. We'd live in a constant concert of symphonic burps. Welcome to the new normal. Side effects: libraries noisier than stadiums. Meditation podcasts now include binaural digestive sounds. Politicians interrupting themselves during speeches in Parliament. And it's not just social embarrassment, oh no, it gets worse. Environmental impact: burps change the climate. Did you know cow burps contribute more to climate change than their, behinds? Now imagine 8 billion humans burping at once. Goodbye ozone layer, hello, hole in human dignity. And with too much air in the stomach, digestion breaks down. We'd need to eat like hummingbirds, 1 milliliter at a time. Soda becomes a biological weapon, and companies would need new warning labels like, this product may cause involuntary jazz solos. From your throat, the real causes of burping. Spoiler, it's not just that Sicilian cake. Eat too fast, you burp. Drink carbonated drinks, you burp. Nose clogged, breathing like Darth Vader, big burp energy. Chew gum for 4 hours straight, congrats, you broke a record and burped all day. And if you think quitting soda is enough, bad news, your favorite couch slouch, the sleepy seal position. Yeah, that turns you into a living soda fountain. What if it's all in our DNA? Okay, technically burping helps us not explode, but if our bodies started producing air like a broken air compressor, we might evolve with natural release valves. New jobs might emerge. Burp therapist, burp composer, available on Spotify. World champion of synchronized burping, evolution baby. From disaster to digestion, a world that goes burp. So if we could never stop burping, the world wouldn't end. But it would get a whole lot weirder. Our social lives would collapse like lasagna left in the sun. Job interviews become a gas-powered roulette, and every awkward silence would be filled with a burp. Burp. Or worse, brarp. But hey, at least we'd finally have a legit excuse to skip Zoom meetings. Did you enjoy this sonic journey into the world of unstoppable burping? Then don't hold back. Subscribe to the channel, smash that bell, and drop a comment with your best natural sound effect. No judgment, we're among friends. And remember, on Crazy Maybe, even a burp can teach us something. The Spacy side of burps. Do you know what happens when you burp in space? Nothing. But if you do it inside your spacesuit, well, bon voyage, stinky astronaut. NASA scientists have actually studied intestinal gas in orbit. Because in zero gravity, even a burp can become an internal missile. Maybe that's why Elon Musk named his company SpaceX. The X clearly stands for explosive gas. Anti-Burp technology. Innovation never sleeps. In our burp-crazed world, new startups would rise. Burp Shield, anti-burp face masks with activated carbon filters and a soothing lavender scent. Silent Burp 3000, a sleek gadget that muffles sound and replaces your burp with a Confucius quote. And introducing the smart assistant, Burple, Hey Burple, how many burps did I do today? You've reached your daily goal. Congratulations on your new world record. Burping as communication. Who says only dogs bark and cats meow? In this alternative reality, burps become a language. 1 burp equals yes. 2 burps equals no. 3 burps equals I'd go out with you, but only if you're paying. Now picture a Zoom meeting. Marco, do you agree with the marketing strategy?
Brr.
Perfect. Approved unanimously.